down, I know you got me, baby.
What's up, ma'am? So now let's proceed to the week 2 topic, hardware component. Computer comprises the physical, tangible parts of a computer system, providing the essential foundation for software to operate and enabling all computer functions. Input devices are any hardware component that allows you to enter data or instructions into a computer. Examples include keyboard, mouse, touchpad, microphone, scanner, webcam, and game controller. Output devices are hardware components that display or present the process information from the computer to the user. Example include monitor or screen, printer, speakers, headphones, and projector. Processing devices are the brains of the computer responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. The two most important processing devices are Central Processing Input or CPU, CPU, Graphics Processing Unit. These are all devices used to store data but differ in technology and performance. Hard disk drive or HDD uses spinning platters and the read-write LED to store data. Solid data drive uses flash memory to store data. USB flash drive are portable storage devices that uses flash memory. Touchscreens act as both input-output devices. SSDs are superior to HDDs in many cases due to their significantly faster read-write speeds. USB uses a physical capable to connect devices, providing power data transfer. Bluetooth uses storage radio waves to connect devices wirelessly. Wire uses radio waves to connect devices to our network, enabling internet access and communication between devices. All hardware components work together in a coordinated manner orchestrated by the operating system. By choosing the right hardware, it is very crucial because different tasks have different demands.